Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to reset your network card. I had a Windows update and it did something to my network card. Now all of a sudden it just stops exchanging packets, basically stops working. I can't go online. If I try, I get this. I can go to Amazon. These are web pages I've been to before, so I'm getting nowhere. My bank, doesn't matter. So the way to fix that is to go to your start window, go to settings, click on network and internet, advanced settings. Then you go to, where is it? Network reset. And you hit reset now. Yes. And you'll get a pop-up saying it's going to reboot in a little bit. And maybe it won't. So once you do that, hit start. Restart. And when it comes up, it starts working again. It reboots pretty fast. I was going to just pause it here, but I want you to see this is unedited and it does work. All right. Now I should be able to go into any browser and give it a second to get an IP address. Now I can see wireless connections, connected, should be good to go. There we go. I can click on anything I want to search for. So that's how you fix your network card if it doesn't connect or give you IP addresses. Hope this helps.